I'm building my first robot. The kit is called Petoi Bittle. And I don't know why the name sounds a little bit weird, but the product is pretty cool. I am prepared to learn some Tony Stark stuff with this introduction to robotics. I have no idea what's inside the box, which makes me quite excited. So let's see. Jarvis, Caesar. Okie dokie, so I have a lot of plastic, a really nice picture with the parts. The robot right here, it's a little bit bigger than expected. Look at this. The servo motor. Ooh. Okay, now we have everything on the table. Start with the unassembled kit. You can take a glance. Made it. Now, we're gonna make the shoulders. Woo! I finally made it! After 2 hours and a half of intense concentration. And it's all together! And programmed and nice and cute, but most importantly, it works. We had some technical difficulties based on my lack of knowledge about robots. Now, this RoboDog is based on Arduino with an open platform with a strong community that builds different projects for it. It also has pre-programmed poses in the app, which you can also use it to calibrate it. Let's see what it can do. William, bring me the stick. I'm here. Now push, William. Stand, William. Check. And now, stand and play dead. Good, William. Now crawl. For someone who never built a robot, it might be a little bit frustrating at some points, but it's not that hard.